Well, baby, I'll be sitting here waiting on you to come home again. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be transforming this curly bob wig that I received from Sunber Hair Company. The playlist is going to be at the top, and details that I'm about to mention is going to be down in the description box. So like I mentioned, this is their curly texture. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I believe it's 150% density, and I believe it is 14 inches. Okay, so now that that's out the way, you know what, I didn't have to cut bangs, but I feel like I haven't did that in a minute, so I wanted to do that and to show you guys how easy it is. Okay, and if you are a beginner trying out a wig, a curly wig, something similar to this, if you're not the best with lace, I would definitely suggest cutting some bangs, just a little bit of bangs. And when you're cutting your bangs, you need to make sure you cut a little at a time, okay? Because it's better to have the bangs be a little bit longer than you want than to have them shorter than you want, because you can't fix that. So literally, if you have to go inch by inch, do that. So like I just mentioned, if you're someone who's like a beginner and you're trying to learn how to do your lace and you don't mind having bangs, I really would suggest this look if you can rock it, because it gives you that opportunity to like really play with the lace, and when you go out, it's not gonna be seen. It's not going to be seen. So it just, you know, it's just an easier way to be comfortable with trying out your lace, especially if you just have one wig and you don't have any others. It's just very convenient to do it this way. So everything in the video that you guys are about to see is very self-explanatory. The products that I used were the Maui Moisture Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. I haven't used this in a minute because I normally use Maui's curling or combing cream, but I can't find that. So yeah, I went to this. It works the same. I like this one too. I did use my True Match Lace Conceal spray on the lace because I just felt like it needed a little bit just to really blend it, especially because I was installing it with my Got To Be Glue hairspray. Now, I want you guys to know I only use this hairspray when I'm not gonna have a wig on for long, okay? And if it's cold outside. If it's hot outside, I'm not using this, okay, for nothing, because the wig gonna slide right off and it's gonna be ugly, okay? So that is it. I'm gonna stop talking here. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.
Since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your kinky hair, the way you like to dress, baby. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over there?